Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your second week of May reading start from the 8th through the 14th of May 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see what is coming up from our fishies for this week time, which has already started. We will add charms, oracle cards and color cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And now while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily reads. So fishies, let's dive into the reading. Let's see what is coming up for you for this week time. Let's begin. King of Cups. Let's take more cards here. King of Pentacles. For some of you, you will be having a choice between two different people to make. There could be one person that you are in love with and that person is not giving you enough right now. You would feel like you're conflicted around it. Maybe you would feel like, maybe I need to move on to the other option that I have, or do I need to stay to the or stick to the person that I love. So there will be like two people, two men, two women in your life who you would have to choose from. Your heart would feel like moving on. Why? Because you have been getting not enough in your love life with a specific someone. Maybe this person is too busy, caught up with their work scenarios. They are always busy, they are always not talking to you, they are always ignoring you, stuff like that. The other person is trying to talk to you, trying to reach out to you, trying to be open and have whatever you desire with them, but somehow you are kind of closing yourself up to that person, the one who is available, and you are chasing the person who is running away from you, who is ignoring you. What is important here right now is whether you are still interested in the person that you are chasing, or you really done with it. You have to act as if you are done with that person. You have to tell yourself, okay, fine, it's enough for me and I'm ready to move on. Once you have that inner conversation where you're gonna make up your mind, I'm not telling you like you are going to move and then everything is going to change. It's just when the moment comes where you make up your mind, okay, fine, I'm ready to move on. That's going to be the moment when your person who has been ignoring you will start talking to you. So the important thing here would be you putting your guards up against this person, whoever it is that is ignoring you and that you have been chasing. The one that is available to you, they are available, they will be available to you. Whether you want to take this person, take this opportunity to move on with this person, it's totally your call, your situation to deal with. But I do see that the moment you decide that you don't want to chase this person any longer and let it be, let things be, if they are busy, so will I be. Like I don't care if they are there or if they will be there or not. I am ready to move on to something better. Be that the person who is available to you, or you would like to have somebody else in your life. The moment you decide, no, I'm done, that's going to be the moment when this person is changing. Now it's very important for you to understand one thing: the inner conversation is going to be more important than anything else here. Don't I do see for majority of you, you will be conflicted within your mind around it, but for very few of you will understand that what I'm trying to say here, the inner conversation and that inner decision that you made is gonna determine your future in this week time with your specific someone, with the one that you are chasing. Let's take more cards here. You are going to get the success. You will get what you desire out of this outcome, this situation. You want this person to become possessive about you, who is right now running away from you. If you could understand how to have that mental conversation with your person or yourself around the specific someone that you are chasing right now, the moment you have it right, that's the moment when everything is going to change for you in your love life with this specific one that you are chasing right now. They will start valuing you, they will start talking to you. It's more like just a shift within you which is going to trigger this change coming from this person. But what I do see happening here for majority of you is you will stay conflicted. You would not be able to have the right kind of conversation. If you could, trust me, you are going to get your wish fulfilled with this person in this week time. Let's take more cards here. The world, things are going to change. You have to make that inner shift, and as you do so, you get the stability back in your life with your specific someone. So the decision, the mind talk is very important for you for this week time. Underneath the deck, we do have the Five of Cups. this is not going to be your energy if this is going to be your person's energy. And how do you bring this energy to your person, not to yourself? By having that inner dialogue and put your guards up against this person so they understand that you are worthy of something good, and they have to earn you back if they want you back now. So yeah, that's what is happening for my fishies. So it's going to be kind of a fun week for those of you who can understand the inner dialogue thing. For those of you who are still juggling, shall I give a chance to the new person or shall I wait for the past person? It's not going to be an easy time for you, because you will feel loss of some kind in your life. You would feel like, this would be your energy then, which needs to end at all. Like, finally, it has to end. It has to end, and you have to tap into the power that you have. You can make the change that you desire in your love life, but for that you have to believe that you are worthy of something better, something good, and you have to cut the crap there and then. Now let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys. Let's see. Write a letter to your God. Seek help, guidance if you want. Let your God know that these are your concerns, so it helps you. Libra, Aquarius could be the signs that you are dealing with as well. And then we do have heart-to-heart conversation. If, like I said, if you have the right way of having that inner dialogue with yourself, your person will be open to have a heart-to-heart conversation with you. But before you could have that heart-to-heart conversation, it's very important for you to have a heart-to-heart conversation with yourself, because this is something which can bring you the stability. This can bring you to the point where you are no more chasing them, and that person is going to be the one chasing you now. So it is like an opportunity God has given you during this time. If you use it the right way, if you acknowledge you have the power, strength to take the decision, trust me, you will get what you want. You will soon meet the one. For those of you who have been single for quite some time, I feel like, as you acknowledge the truth that you are worthy of something good, that person will come in. Not just one person, but two people will come in your life. So maybe you have to do that. You have to, again, have an inner dialogue to remove the inner conflict that you are having right now. Let's meet up soon. Again, for some of you, you might be meeting your person during this week time as well. It can be a new person. It can be the person that is going to start chasing you as well, who could be from the past. So yeah, let's see more cards here. Let's see what else do we have. Guilt. Either you have the guilt in the situation, or you let your person have the guilt in the situation for losing you, or for being there where they are about to lose you. So it's your call. Like, you want to feel guilty for not accepting the people, the love that has been always there, for choosing the wrong person over everything, or are you going to make this person feel guilty for not giving you time enough in this connection and make them feel that they might lose you now? So it's your call. Like, whatever you want to have for yourself, you have to work towards it. You know what to do. Listen to your inner calling, trust your inner knowledge, and act upon it without any further delay. It's very important for you to take the right action, right decision at the right time without further delays. Let's see one card from this. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for my fishies. Wow, fishies are going to do some sort of drama this week time. Peach, inhale a breath of life, number 19. You are done with the toxicity. You are done with the fucked up relationships. It's high time that you breathe in some fresh air for yourself. Make some happy decisions for yourself, which can bring you happiness that you seek. Let's see what the charms has to add to the read for you guys. So we do have T. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. M. X. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Things are changing for better, so relax. You are going to get it's time for you to relax basically this week time, especially after you have taken the decision. Just relax. You have nothing to do. Listen to happy positive music. Your person who you were chasing will be chasing you in this week time and in the weeks to come, if and only if, again, you succeed in having the right kind of conversation with yourself from within your mind. You are not going to be chasing them. You're going to relax this week time. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up from my fishies for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, share, and subscribe. If you're willing to get a personal read, if you to if you need any additional guidance around it, you can always check the description box for the services that I offer, and you can reach out to me if you want. So yeah, till I do the next reading for my fishes, take care. Bye bye.